केस तो बहुत ही सीवियर फिजिकल वायलेंस का रिपोर्ट है, जहाँ पे लड़की रहना भी नहीं चाहती है, बट लॉकडाउन में उसके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है और कंटिन्यूसली पुलिस को अप्रोच कर रही थी, बट पुलिस से भी उसको कोई हेल्प नहीं मिल पा रहा था। और शक्तिशाली ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को भी उसने हेल्प किया, काउंसलर से भी बात किया, बट काउंसलर भी उसको वहाँ फिजिकली प्रेजेंस नहीं दिखा सकती है। हमने टेलीफोनिक पुलिस से इंटरवेंशन किया है, जहाँ पे अभी फिजिकल वायलेंस तो स्टॉप हो गया है, पर इमोशनली और वर्बल वायलेंस कंटिन्यू है अभी उसके साथ।
During the COVID-19 pandemic, the common directive from everyone is to stay home to stay safe. But for several women, staying home does not equal to safety. Many are unfortunately trapped with their abusers with nowhere to go. After the imposition of lockdown to control the spread of the pandemic, instances of domestic violence have been on a rise across the country.
Since the lockdown, we have received more than double complaints in domestic violence in the first week of lockdown. Later on, yes, the number is decreased little bit, but it is yet more than the usual complaints which we receive before the lockdown. And we have seen that domestic violence, especially in northern states of India, have increased. And NCW is on its toes working on these complaints 24/7.
Domestic violence is one of the most common forms of gender-based violence that might be inflicted by members of family or household or by intimate partners who might be former or current romantic or sexual partners. The former situation is called family violence and the latter is called intimate partner violence. According to the National Crime Records Bureau data of 2018, around one-third of the crimes against women are registered under cruelty by husband or his relatives.
जो आदमी अपनी बीवी को पीट रहा है, वो घर में आता है, रात को आता है, खाता पीता सोता है और पीटता है अपनी बीवी को। पर अब क्योंकि सारा कुछ बंद है, तो वो 24 घंटे उसी सिस्टम में रह रहे हैं, साथ में रह रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली वायलेंस के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं। हम ये कह रहे हैं कि वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करे परपेट्रेटर से और ऐसी एक्टिविटीज में ना इन्वॉल्व हो जहाँ पे ज्यादा से ज्यादा इंटरेक्शन बढ़े उनका परपेट्रेटर्स के साथ। जहाँ फिजिकल वायलेंस है और एक्सट्रीम लेवल ऑफ वायलेंस है और सर्वाइवर को इमीडिएट हेल्प चाहिए, वहाँ पे हम उनको सजेस्ट करें कि वो पुलिस को अप्रोच करें, बिकॉज इकलौती यही मशीनरी है जो अभी उनको हेल्प कर रही है।
Does economic instability during such crisis times impact domestic violence? Studies say yes. A study by Daniel Schneider at UC Berkeley shows that unemployment among men led to abusive behavior during the Great Recession of 2000s. The study also said that as men felt increasingly anxious and out of control over their jobs and financial security, they became more likely to increase control over their romantic partners, sometimes to the point of abuse.
We have a case where this man was sitting and watching blue films in the house, and many times the mother tried to put the children to sleep middle of the day, and when it did not work, she went and scolded and yelled at the husband, and he came and beat all of them up. She called the police, and the police said that this is not the important work that we have to do now. Why don't you counsel the husband?
Only 12% of women who have suffered violence from husband have sought any form of help, reveals National Family Health Survey of 2015. Several NGOs say that due to the lockdown, it has become difficult for women to report such incidents.
हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने लॉकडाउन से पहले वीकली जो 25 to 30 का एवरेज रहता था केसेस रिपोर्ट होने का, बट ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन हमारे पास 5 to 6 केसेस ही रिपोर्ट हो रहे हैं। एंड जिस तरह से सर्वाइवर से लॉकडाउन के दौरान बात हो रहा है, तो मैक्सिमम उनका कॉल जो है आफ्टर 9 एंड सुबह 8 बजे से पहले आता है, और जो जिस तरह से उनसे बात हो रहा है, तो उनके कहने के अकॉर्डिंग और बातचीत करने से ये समझ आता है कि उनको वो समय नहीं मिल पा रहा है, जिसके कारण वो रिपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा है।
According to NCW, most of the complainants use email to report such incidents. So this puts women without internet access at a much higher risk. A WhatsApp number has also been introduced for women to report such cases of violence.
We are reaching to each and every complainant and even closing down the cases in 1 day or 2 days time. In few of the cases we needed to transfer these ladies to some other place. They needed to go to their parents' place. They wanted to shift in some hostel, and we shifted them also. In few of the cases, police even did FIR and booked their husbands. We also have launched a WhatsApp number for the ladies who can't reach us online or can't email. Our WhatsApp number for DV complaints is 721-7735-372.
If you thought dealing with the pandemic was pretty stressful, imagine what these countless women who are dealing with the additional worry of surviving violence at home are going through.